that every professional sawmill, green lumber yard, and kiln operator in the country will use as a basis. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Hey folks, it's Robert Melton coming at you from Hobby Hardwood Sawmill. I hope y'all can hear me. It is blowing out here. Now, some of you said that I look a lot like David Letterman. I don't think I do. I've got more personality. If you don't believe it, I'll tell you about it. Now, so I had a lot of comments on my last video about pricing out logs. I guess ultimately the log's worth what you pay for it, but that is not how the pros do it. It's raining right now and the sun's out. It must be a rainbow somewhere right over my head. If you are somebody who's just getting into sawmilling, it's probably a mystery as how these things come about, but it's really pretty straightforward. Have you ever followed stock markets? Do you just pick stocks out of the air and say, I want to pay this and I want to pay that? And of course not. There's a stock market. It goes to the New York Stock Exchange, various other exchanges. The prices are set. These are the baseline prices. Sometimes they go up, sometimes they go down. There is a body of information and a community of professional brokers, traders behind that stock price. There's the exact same thing that goes on with one of the oldest commodities in mankind. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, maybe the only thing older than lumber as a commodity would be selling rock. This is cold. I ain't doing this crap. It's 20 freaking degrees out here. All right, let's walk a little bit. Come on, y'all, walk with me. Let me get out of this weather. There is an organization that every professional sawmill, green lumber yard, and kiln operator in the country will use as a basis. It's called the HMR, the Hardwood Market Report. I don't own stock in it. I don't get sponsored by them, but if you want to be a pro, you better know what it says. It ranks green lumber. It ranks a lot of things based on the area. For example, Appalachian hardwoods have a different price and grade, different price per grade than, say, Northeastern hardwood. People say, oh, Pennsylvania cherry, that's the best cherry in the country. Well, it may be. So it should be worth more. Missouri walnut, best walnut in the country. Well, that's true. If it's that good, it's probably worth more than a South Central walnut. But the place you look this up is a publication called the Hardwood Market Report. If you Google it, go on to Dr. Google and type in HMR, Hardwood Market Report, and you'll see a big thing pop up. I don't think you can access it without paying your fee. On the other hand, if you want to be professional, you should at least start looking at it and understand what it says. It's that important. Professional sawmills, they will base their prices on the HMR to the extent that as you're talking to them, or you say you're in their office, they'll have the latest report pinned to the wall or the bulletin board, and they will set their prices based on that. So they'll even say things like, I need to, you might go in there to a pro sawmill and go, hey man, I need like 1,000 board foot of #1 common red oak 4/4 green. What's the price? And they'll say, it's HMR plus 10%. The more professional a logger, a sawmill, or a lumber yard is, the more they are tuned into the true daily commodity price. I got some sawing to do. This is going to be a pretty one. I got a couple nice walnut logs. Let's just knock through these things real quick. All right. Took a little end trim off with my measuring stick. That is a pretty walnut log. 2 foot diameter or more. So anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see you again next week. Y'all have fun sawing. It is fun. Enjoy it. Bye. Thanks for visiting our sawmill. Click on the links above to see more of our videos.